I'm actually wondering if we could start there, just from a very basic foundational level. What does an entertainment lawyer do exactly?
Yeah, and I think this is where there's a lot of misconceptions or a lot of confusion because I think, most people hear lawyers, they think judge, gavel, courtroom, suits and ties, what we see on Law and Order, etc. But obviously, entertainment law is very different. What I do is spend all day drafting, reading, and reviewing and negotiating contracts, whether that's on, the talent side, the actor side of things, doing directly the actor deals with studios, networks, production companies for on camera talent services, doing commercial deals directly with production companies for commercials, doing brand and endorsement deals for their influencer page, their TikToks, their Instagrams, YouTubes, whatever. And just, also just kind of being a general legal confidant and being there to kind of troubleshoot and answer a lot of questions. I have clients that come to me, particularly with contract dispute questions. And even though we don't go to court, and proceed through litigation like a regular litigation attorney would, we can still help you review and read your contract because it's really the devil in the details of ultimately what it is that you're signing. And ultimately, we don't try to replace an agent or manager by any means. They all serve their various roles and functions, but we really do try to get into the nitty gritty of the paperwork, and be that sort of extra support system. In my time in working more on the studio side, because I also have studio clients where we represent films and TV shows, the production side, where we are hiring actors. In those instances, I kind of know what it is the studio is looking for in terms of the negotiation and how to respond and handle and talk to the reps. But then on the flip side, when I'm handling talent and going back to the studio, I know how to converse and liaise with them. So it's really nice to have that advocate in your corner that can kind of speak up on your behalf. I'm renegotiating a talent deal for an actress who's on a YouTube series right now for kids programming. Represent Dee Dee Pfeiffer, who was on Big Sky most recently, the David E. Kelly show on ABC. But yeah, that's kind of in a nutshell what an entertainment lawyer does. I kind of take a holistic approach to the way that I represent my clients. Maybe they'll come to me with a particular issue. Let's say they have a divorce or something more serious or something that it isn't necessarily within my wheelhouse to handle as an attorney. I'm the confidant to then liaise with other attorneys and help find them the proper people to go to and help carry that discretion and make sure that they're taken care of. So there's multiple facets that an entertainment attorney can help engage in an actor's life, and then that's really kind of all across the spectrum of where they're at in their careers.